Pilates is a low-impact exercise system that has long been associated with flexibility and core strength. But is it just for women? Not at all. In fact, this unique method of fitness offers a variety of benefits that can be particularly advantageous for men, from athletes to weekend warriors. Why should men consider Pilates? How does it differ from other forms of exercise? In this article, we'll explore why men should be embracing Pilates and debunk common myths that might have kept them away. Let's dive into the science behind Pilates and discover why it's time for men to join in on this amazing exercise routine. Make sure to stay until the end to find out all the best information, and remember, at Beyond Living, we provide the best information and actionable and functional guides for all facets of healthy living, vitality, and fitness. Also, check out the awesome products that are running exclusive, limited-time deals just for our viewers here at Beyond Living in the description and in the top pinned comments that we recommend for all our viewers for vitality, healthy living, and fitness. Like, comment, and subscribe as it greatly helps the channel. Let's start by understanding Pilates. Pilates is a fitness system developed by Joseph Pilates in the early 20th century with the goal of enhancing core strength, flexibility, and overall body control. Unlike traditional strength training, which often focuses on isolated muscle groups, Pilates promotes a holistic approach, emphasizing the body's connection from head to toe. The core principles of Pilates, control, concentration, precision, breath, flow, and centering, create a unique environment where each movement has a purpose. This precision requires engagement of not just the large muscle groups but also the smaller stabilizing muscles, resulting in balanced muscle development and improved posture. Pilates is typically performed on a mat or using specialized equipment like the reformer, which allows for resistance-based exercises. Although many associate Pilates with gentle stretching, it can be surprisingly intense, offering a challenging workout that builds strength, flexibility, and coordination. Despite its benefits, some men view Pilates as too soft or only for women. However, these misconceptions are fading as more men discover its advantages. The next section will explore why Pilates can be especially beneficial for men, offering a diverse range of physical and mental gains that go beyond traditional workouts. Pilates offers a myriad of benefits that make it a compelling choice for men seeking to diversify their fitness routines. At its core, Pilates strengthens and stabilizes the core muscles, including the abdominals, lower back, and obliques. This enhanced core strength can improve posture, support spinal health, and lead to greater efficiency in other physical activities, whether you're playing sports, lifting weights, or just moving through everyday life. One of the key benefits of Pilates is improved flexibility and mobility. Unlike traditional resistance training, which can lead to muscle tightness, Pilates promotes a full range of motion, allowing muscles to stretch and lengthen while they strengthen. This improved flexibility reduces the risk of injury and enhances athletic performance. Balance and coordination are also at the heart of Pilates. The exercises require focused movements, which help develop a sense of equilibrium and body awareness. This can be particularly valuable for athletes, providing a competitive edge in sports and reducing the likelihood of falls and injuries. Additionally, Pilates is beneficial for injury prevention and rehabilitation. Its emphasis on controlled, precise movements helps strengthen weakened muscles and improve joint stability, making it an excellent tool for recovery. In the next section, we'll explore real-world success stories that showcase these benefits in action. Pilates has gained traction among elite athletes who have incorporated it into their training routines. NBA star LeBron James is known for his dedication to fitness, and Pilates plays a role in his regimen, helping him maintain flexibility and prevent injuries in a high-impact sport. Similarly, David Beckham, a soccer legend, has credited Pilates for improving his core strength and aiding in his recovery from injuries, extending his career longevity. Athletes like these demonstrate that Pilates isn't just for rehabilitation, it's a proactive approach to building a resilient body. Football quarterback Tom Brady has also embraced Pilates, using it to stay flexible and agile while preserving muscle balance. Their success stories illustrate how Pilates can enhance performance, reduce recovery time, and support an overall healthier lifestyle. These testimonials underscore why men from all walks of life should consider incorporating Pilates into their routines. In the following section, we'll guide you on how to get started with Pilates, whether you're joining a class or practicing at home. Moving on, here's how we can start getting started with Pilates. If you're intrigued by the benefits of Pilates and eager to give it a try, you're in for a rewarding journey. The key to a successful Pilates practice is finding the right environment to start in, whether it's a local class or an at-home setup. Here's how to get started. 1. Finding a Pilates class or instructor. Begin by researching Pilates studios or gyms offering classes in your area. Look for instructors with reputable certifications, such as those from the Pilates Method Alliance, PMA, or Stott Pilates. Certified instructors ensure you're learning proper technique, which is crucial for safety and effectiveness. Attend a beginner's class to get a feel for the environment, and don't hesitate to ask questions about the exercises and equipment. 2. Understanding the equipment. If you join a class, you'll likely encounter various Pilates equipment, such as the reformer, Cadillac, and stability chair. These tools can be intimidating at first, but instructors are trained to guide you through their use. Familiarize yourself with the mat-based exercises, as these can be easily replicated at home with minimal equipment. 3. Home-based Pilates. For those who prefer the flexibility of at-home workouts, there are numerous online resources and video tutorials available. Consider investing in a quality mat and resistance bands to enhance your practice. Start with beginner-friendly videos and progress as you become more comfortable. 4. Setting goals and staying consistent. As with any fitness routine, consistency is key. Set realistic goals, such as attending a class twice a week or completing a certain number of sessions at home. Track your progress and adjust your routine as needed to keep things engaging and challenging. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to integrating Pilates into your fitness regimen. In conclusion, Pilates offers a holistic approach to fitness, emphasizing core strength, flexibility, balance, and mental focus. For men, it provides a unique opportunity to enhance athletic performance, prevent injuries, and promote overall well-being. The benefits are clear: improved posture, greater mobility, and a stronger, more resilient body. If you've been hesitant to try Pilates, now's the time to give it a go. Your call to action: find a local class or an online resource, set achievable goals, and commit to exploring the world of Pilates. You might be surprised by the transformative effects on your fitness journey. Take that first step and experience the difference Pilates can make.